What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu, and right now I am doing the burn 10,000 calories in a day challenge. I'm actually in the middle of my burpees, but I thought I'd give you all an update on my progress right now. It's a little after 12:03, and I've burned 5,353 calories. Hopefully you can see that, and I'm not sure why it says AM, it should say PM. And I've done 310 burpees. I've rode on the row machine for 12,000 meters. And then I've also ran 31 miles along with walked a couple miles as well. So there's the update. Hopefully I make it. Stay tuned. I will have a video out tomorrow for the recap of today. And if you want to follow my play-by-play, you can follow me on Instagram, Life with Vince Luu. So hope you all enjoyed that video. Please give this video a thumbs up. I know it was a short video, but as you can see, I'm a little busy. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you all tomorrow.